I've been looking in my junk for a motor to power this thing. I have lots of motors that are way too big or way too small, and then I came across this old bilge pump, and I can't see the motor, but the weight feels like it's probably about right. Plug it in. Let's see, it says it's 12 volt motor. So let's switch this down to 12 volts. Come on. Close enough. I'll be able to get a a little over half an amp. That makes it like maybe 7 watts. Sounds good. Like it's still working and everything. Alright, this is definitely a good candidate. I'm going to take it out of the housing. I think I have to cut it out. Alright, I'm not seeing any screws or anything. So yeah, I think I have to cut this open. Alright, I guess just cut all the way around right here. I guess. Oh man, that is really waterproofized.
They really want to. That's a nice motor.
Yeah, the motor looks good. Just gotta get it out of this. Okay. Now I've got a couple screws. Hopefully I unscrew those and the motor will come out. Oh man, this one got rusty.
How? Oh.
Where this one was in a weird place for a while. Ooh, stainless screws. I have to keep those. Okay, that is about the size motor I'm looking for. Yeah, totally. I kind of wish it was 6 volts, but whatever. 12 volts is fine. It says 31.2 watts. Alright. So yeah, running it with nothing went up to 7 watts, but it'll go up to 30, almost 32 watts. Yeah, that should be strong enough. The waterproofing. Alright, that looks like an excellent motor. Nice. You know, at 32 watts, I might be able to run it at 6 volts. Or 8. I don't know. I'll see when I get the thing put together. But that should be strong enough. Okay, let's see if we get super duper unbelievably incredibly lucky, and these would just... It's gonna be close. Oh, it totally fits. Those totally fit. Oh, that is excellent. They might be too long. Let's see if they hit the... So I need to... Oh, I'm gonna have to... Alright. I'm gonna have to cut the axle on this a little bit so it's not hitting that gear. And then make a spot where this can screw in, a couple holes. And the writing on this is too small to see, isn't it? 12 volt DC, 31.2 watts, made in China obviously, by the Powerful Motor Limited. In the Powerful Motor Industry Limited? Industrial Limited? Whatever. Okay, that's what it is anyway. Okay, motor main. It's the main motor. Looks good. Now we can make the gear to even fit that little slot that's on the motor. Sweet. Touch it. Okay, now stop. Now, if I say stop, disconnect. But hold on. Okay, go ahead, connect it. Go ahead, connect it. Yeah, okay, stop. Yeah, the gears are a little bit rough. That's why it's making that noise. But any rough bits should wear off. and then they'll get smoother. Do it again. Yeah, good. Wait, do it again. I'm going to try holding it with my fingers, see if I can stop it.
Sounds a little bit better.
I think that's going to be strong enough. So I was pushing on that pretty hard with my pinky, and the motor didn't seem to be struggling at all. I edited this part to make it so the motor fits, complete with screw holes that fit the little mounting holes on this motor, and that is printing out right now. So I need to go do something else for like an hour and a half. Yes. Nice. That should fit in there. Oh, nice and snug. It's awesome. All right, get my screw holes lined up. You know, I didn't actually measure the thickness on this against the screws. Oh, all right, it looks like it's about right. Nice. Oh, beauty. Oh, that's some good stuff right there. Oh, I can make these pretty tight because they're going to steel. Oh, good stuff. All right, that goes right where this one is. What is this doing on there? Kids. I always get some graphite in these holes. Make them a little slippery. All right, just feel a little bit tight. It's okay. If I run it a little, it should loosen up the gears. All right, let's see if we can turn this sucker on. Oh, that's pretty strong. Nice.